Alright guys, so Brian here. It's a picture of me right there. And the career that I wanted to do a presentation on today is marriage and family. That is the career I've chosen to go into myself after I'm done with all of my schooling that I need. And a marriage and family therapist, they are responsible for just helping people process and adjust to situations that can go on in people's lives, like going through a divorce or being laid off from a job or just really anything that can happen in a person's life. They also help their clients develop strategies and skills that they might need to change their life for the better and to help their lives become better. And they also teach clients how to replace harmful thoughts and feelings that they might have with positive and life changing ones so they can go out and become better people and help change the world. And the required education that you need to be a marriage or family counselor is, yeah, you got to get a bachelor's degree in either psychology, marriage and family, or some mental health field. And then in order to be a marriage family, you have to have a master's degree. And so after getting your bachelor's, you need to go into a master's program so you can get a degree in marriage or family or psychology or just any really related mental health field. Well, will do, but I recommend a marriage or family one if you're wanting to go into that field. And then in relation to my 4 year plan is I'm in the process of going to school to get my my bachelor's in psychology, and then after that I want to go to school and get my master's in marriage and family. And this helps me because this applies to my 4 year plan as I'm going to school at the moment, so I can start the process of getting towards my job I want. And so that's part of that. And then why I want to go into this major is I've always just been a helpful person. I've always just wanted to help people and do what I can to help them out in their lives. And it's just something I've always wanted to do, and I enjoy helping people where I can and giving them advice and seeing what I can do to help them out. And with a comparison to the reasons that are listed in chapter 13 is one of the reasons is I have a strong interest in the subject. I I like helping people in psychology. You can use that degree to go and help other people, and I want to see what I can learn from this degree and to see what I can do with it to and apply it to the world and before I can help other people. And then a bachelor's degree will prepare me for my future job. Like I discussed in a couple slides before this, is I need a bachelor's degree in psychology first before I can get my master's in marriage and family or psychology. So getting a bachelor's will help me work towards more of getting my future job in the end.